Hello, and welcome to the forum. Every week, we take no more than 5 minutes to discuss 3 highest conviction ideas surfaced across the Smartkarma network, cutting through the noise and helping you zero in on what truly matters most. Without further ado, let's dive into this week's ideas. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Smartkarma Forum. The forum is a high-impact weekly live webinar exclusive for Smartkarma Plus subscribers, where we use the forum to discuss the best, highest conviction insights surfaced across the Smartkarma network. The forum is meant purely for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. It is the opinion not of Smartkarma, but that of our insight providers, and Chatham House rule applies. At the end of every week, we take video recordings of the forum and convert them into short bite-sized pieces and upload them onto our YouTube channel to make it easy for you to revisit these ideas at your own time and pace. This also makes it easier for you to share these ideas with your friends and get their feedback. Every week, we try to bring you a range of ideas from large caps, small and mid caps, as well as core thematics. Today, we'll begin by looking at China Education Group, then we will move on to Genting, Singapore, and lastly, we will take a look at resilience in world economy is only of modest help to Asia. Let's begin with China Education Group. The ticker is 839 Hong Kong, and this is covered by Osbert Tang on the Smartkarma platform. China Education Group provide private universities operating services, education training services, and other services. Adjusted net profit of it grew by 15.1% in the first half of 2023 and accelerated from 5% in the second half of 2022. FY23 outlook will be underpinned by higher education student enrollment and tuition increase. Strengthened financial position offers opportunities for both organic and M&A growth. Osbert considers a 7.9x PER, one-time price to book, 13.3% return on equity, and 5.5% yield as attractive. Next, we have Genting, Singapore, and this is covered by Howard J. Klein on the Smartkarma platform. Genting, Singapore develops resort properties as well as operates casinos. The stock has become attractive at its still under the radar price. Nomura projects Singapore revenues are trending rapidly back to 90% of pre-COVID levels. Adjusted EBITDA of 774 or US 580 million for FY22. Income attributable to holders up 85%. Lastly, we take a look at resilience in world economy is only of modest help to Asia. This is an insight covered by Manu Bhaskaran on the Smartkarma platform. The world economy has been more resilient than thought, but demand for Asian manufactured goods has been hurt by cyclical headwinds and lower commodity prices. Global services activity, in contrast, has done better, but this provides fewer benefits for Asian exporters. However, capital expenditures in developed economies are proving resilient. Positive dynamics such as infrastructure spending and investment inflows provide support for growth. If you found the forum useful but have follow-up questions, please feel free to continue the conversation on Smartkarma, and we hope to speak to you next week. Till then, all the best and goodbye. That's it for this week. You can find more ideas like the ones we discussed today on demand on our YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so you'll never miss out on another episode. If you liked these ideas, spread the word. Tell a fellow investor about Smartkarma Plus and follow us on social media. Just search for Smartkarma. And of course, don't forget to visit smartkarma.com for more independent, differentiated investment insights. Thank you for watching and see you next week.